'Cause every time that I try to run from your love, it's like I fall right back into your arms. No, I can't live without your touch. No, it's like I can't escape your love. Escape your love. Escape your love. Yeah. It's like I can't escape your love. Escape your love. Escape your love. Yeah.
Sand in our shoes, ticket stubs in your pocket. You laugh, say we're lost, I say we're exactly on time. Orange on your cheeks, you squint into the horizon. You talk with your hand, I just watch the light climb. Every little word you drop hangs in the air like it's choosing where to land. Somewhere between your lips and the line in my hand. Is this love at a sunset? Or love that will stay when the night gets cold? If the sky lets the sun set, will you let your head find my shoulder and hold? If the colors all fade and the world turns gray, will you still say my name like that? Is this love at a sunset? Or something that lasts past that? Kids skip the way, someone's old song on a speaker. You're tracing the phone, write my name, then erase half the letters. You tell a small truth about how you're scared of forever, but you lean into me like you're testing the weather. You say, this is all we have. Halfway a joke, halfway a plea in disguise. I say, look how long